Okay, you're ready to go live. But when it comes to starting the stream, you need to put a title. You need a headline. But what should you put? The important thing is that your headline is short and sweet and grabs people's attention. Now, it's really important that you consider this acronym. AIDA. A-I-D-A. AIDA. It basically stands for Attention, Interest, Decision, Action. What that means is that in order for people to click on your stream or want to watch your stream, you need to get their attention first, then their interest, which will inspire them to make the decision to watch your stream and take action and actually watch it and engage with it. So the first step really is attention. So you need to say something quite short and punchy which makes them interested. It has to be short because our minds these days are designed to take short bits of information and try and make use out of it very quickly. So you need to put something short but punchy that gets their interest and they think, right, I want to see that and see what it's like. And that makes their decision to take action. So the kinds of headlines you want to be putting are something along the lines of this. Three strategies to drive traffic. 3 ways to live a better life. 3 ways to go viral on YouTube. Top 3 headlines for your blog. 5 ways to be more productive. All of these headlines are giving a number of points. So 3 or 5 different techniques. People think, right, it's not going to be too long. I have an indication that it's not going to last a long time and I'm not going to be able to watch my favourite TV programme. So people know it's going to be short and sharp and useful. So these are the types of headlines you need to generate that attention. You've only got a small space and it's really good to use it. Another useful tip is that you can actually edit headlines for replay viewers. So let's go back to the stream that I did on Facebook Live. This was a stream to get people to see something that was happening in Newbury. It was a live event happening, it was a big incident, and 21,000 people were reached and 12,000 people watched this. And I got so many followers as a result of this. But the title, Fire in Newbury, Bar Sports. Now, that's not necessarily the greatest of titles. It was really good at the time for getting people to watch. But what you can actually do is you can edit that title so that replay viewers can probably get a little bit more interested in what it was that you had put. So you get an edit post. You can change the title right there and then. So that is how you create a killer title for your Facebook live stream, and if you're not happy with it, you can edit it afterwards for replay viewers to make them want to watch it, because replay viewers are almost just as important, if not more important, than the people watching at the time, because it means that you've optimized the stream for the many other people that may watch it afterwards. Way more people that were probably on your stream. I'll see you in the next lecture.